Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have quite a few DIYs, and here are my inspirations. This first picture I just thought was so adorable, and I just wanted to say hi to everybody first. Okay, this second picture, my daughter told me she doesn't have a wreath for her front door, so I decided to make that for her. I thought these were so cute. They're like little bubblegum machines. This I've been dying to make for a while, and this was just something that I threw together real quick. Okay, so first I picked up this stuff from Dollar Tree today. I picked up this hat and these two stockings, which I'm going to use the fabric to make the elf's legs. So I start drawing it and cut them out. Now, I said I wasn't going to do much of Christmas decor. I was going to try to get rid of some of my trash treasures, but I totally made more Christmas decor. I just had like a craving. No, I got inspired by Pinterest. So I have you ever gone on Pinterest and got really inspired and was dying to make something, and right as you were getting ready to make it, someone else makes it? That happens to me all the time. Leave me a comment if that ever happens to you, because that happens to me a lot. Right before I'm getting ready to make something, somebody makes it. And then I feel like I can't make it because I feel like I'm copying off of them. So anyway, I stuffed the elf's legs with some pillow stuffing, and that wasn't really easy to do, but I did it. I just didn't want to burn myself, so I did it very carefully, and I did not burn myself. Um, as I was going to say, as I'm letting that dry, but no, next I start making my lollipops. And after I finished this, I realized I did it wrong. I added greenery to my elf hat, and in the inspiration picture, there was no greenery, and I like it better without the greenery. So I might change it. I might not. I'm happy with how it turned out. So I carefully just try to make some lollipops. I just used some poster board and or some foam board rather, and some dowel sticks. I stick them in the bottom of them. I really have been wishing I could do like a Candyland Christmas. I love all the candy and lollipops, and I just wish maybe next year I'll do that. I want my tree to be that way. Okay, so now I start putting all the stuff in the hat. Um, I folded the bottom of the hat up because it was very long. It kind of like, I don't know, this is a lot different than the picture, but see how it turned out? I like it. I like it. I love the bow. And there's all my lollipops. I did have to stick a piece of foam board on the back of it. So now I'm going to make my gumball machine. I buy these two jars from Dollar Tree. One is plastic and one is glass, and I paint the glass one. I just use my chalk paint, and I use two coats. And I do put it in the oven to dry. You're supposed to use those plant. Oh, I can't even. Well, you saw the picture, but I found them, but I didn't have. I found them in my attic, but I didn't have the little plates that went with them, so it didn't look right. And when I finished this, I forgot to put the little knob on the top, which I did do, so it does look a little better. But I like how it turned out. So now, as I'm waiting for that to dry, I start to paint this other container, which I was dying to make since like the summer. You use a container, and oh, and here I am starting to do another project. I'm making these little bags for my coworkers. But I've been dying to make these containers. You use the hamburger patty makers. Do you know what I'm talking about? The little thing that you press it down for the top. You glue that to the top of the container. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place in this video. And right here is where I'm gluing down my top to the hamburger maker. See that? I think these turn out so cute. I love them. So I bought a bigger one as well, and I'm going to make that one too. I have like 10 different projects going on at once here, guys. I'm a mess today. Either I have no energy or I'm full of energy. I had no dialysis today, so I'm like full of energy. I added the word snacks on the outside of my container, and isn't that adorable? I love it. I'm going to put cookies in it or something. I just love that. And here's my little gumball machine. I put chocolate candy in it, but I did put a knob on the top and I painted it red. Now, this little thing, I saw my inspiration on um, Pinterest, and I didn't um, do a tutorial on it, but I don't really like it because it kind of looks like a kid made it. But here are my projects, and I did add some buffalo plaid to that snacks jar. I think my little hat reef turned out adorable. I don't know, guys. If you think I was all over the place, it's okay. If not, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more videos from me. Um, I'll try to do better next time. Thank you. Bye bye.